Top 3 things from laying down under, super easy. Number 1, Steve Irwin, absolute legend. Number 2, throwing some shrimp on the Barbie. Number 3, the Thunderbox. So this product came about because we had tons of customers, tons of friends using the Thunderbox camp toilet, but they wanted a better bag. The one that comes with it is pretty Spartan to say the least, but it's a great product. It's super compact, and you can really get a lot of miles, if you know what I mean, out of this piece of equipment. So let's take a look at the Thunderbox and also at our bag for this next limited run. So if you're not familiar, the Thunderbox is a folding camp toilet from down in Australia, and it sets up super simple. So there you have it, everything you need to do your business in the backcountry. You can put a bag there. There's a little handle right here, opens up the lid, and it is really sturdy. But we wanted a better way to transport these, so all you gotta do is flip this back, push the sides in, and it folds down to a nice thin package. So we adapted kind of our tote bag, but without the sides and a little bit wider. So you have these webbing handles that run the full length of the bag, give you plenty of strength. You've got some spots here where it goes back into the bag material for added structure. Up front, you've got a Velcro filled, so you can add other accessories like a pouch if you want to keep like wag bags or wipes or something like that in there. And then a very special product that's a part of this limited run, the toilet paper pouch. It is laser cut, designed to hold one roll. Keeps everything nice and secure so your TP doesn't get all torn up in transit, and goes right on the front of the bag. And obviously you can mount that on other places that have Velcro or loop material in your truck. Slides back in there. Nice and secure. Cinch it up. And on the back, you even got these loops with the handle material. So you can clip or lash this into your truck somewhere so it's not going anywhere, and you can just pull the Thunderbox in and out. So if you're looking for an excellent bag for your Thunderbox camp toilet, don't delay. You can find this and more great gear at BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com.